Okay, I'm playing. Okay. Okay, I'm in spray paint.
Pwede naka-stop kayo sa kamay.
It's because of the screen. Ano? Yung kakampi naman natin yan sa taas kanina, hindi ka laban.
Dismiss, okay.
Kayo na!
Hi, sorry.
Thanks,
Makagaya lang kayo dito eh.
What's this?
Yeah, we're three people.
Please.
Oy, tito. Di ba nung kami nila daddy, halos palagi kami mga riskers? Palagi kami nag-risk.
Oh yeah, he's also a risky player. I wanna play
Okay.
safe. Oh,
I think he got him. Nag-jump?
no, the map is slow map.
Hindi yung baril. Parang nag-jump.
Hindi tumapak?
I don't know.
Oh, but no, that's ano.
Nag-activate.
Yung
Self-destruct.
jamming. Yeah. Ano yan?
I speak.
Yes.
Well, it's self-destructed.
Yeah. Usually when someone has the jamming. He always dies.
Kung ba kung
Oh yeah. Okay. No, but
That-
it's
that-
enough.
But I have to know.
Wala mo mga lahat.
dito.
Ay, dalawa sila. Yung laki na nakikita ko, pinapagod.
Okay. Okay.
Mag-smoke ka.
Wait, what's this? It leads to nothing.
Yung recommend.
Wait.
Ay, sniper! Tutay. Ay,
Bro, me and
may tao dito sa ano.
Baba mo.
Eh, pero hindi siya pumatay sa akin. Sniper na mga may tao. Oo. Kanina may idea. Ay, I'm dead na pala.
You're dead na. Wala na.
Wala na pala.
No lights, because it's the last 5 days.
Yeah, I didn't see na ano. May ano kasi. Like, there's a specific time.
Okay.
Before you can react.
Like, for example, after 3 minutes, ano, drop the hit. Since you drop 5 times.
Wait.
Patay naman lagi yung isa.
What if it was 9/11?
Okay.
Kasi 2/11 yun.
Okay, sabi mo na.
Okay.
Ano nga si Brady?
Pag mag-activate. 9 minutes. Oh, there's only one tournament?
Yeah, during the weekend.
Yun lang.
Body kasi.
When my dad, me and my
Oh,
dad
no,
was nag-risk, hindi kami nag-attack. Basta straightforward.
Hindi camper. Oh, yan.
Okay. Wait.
Mapa MP.
Ayo, ganun kami nag-head.
Purse.
Ganun rin siya dito.
Oh, 35 Robux.
I don't play safe. I will
Ngayon,
I go forward. I push.
win. So, I check it. Then he also.
Ba't inano mo? Ba't sinira mo?
Ata. Ginawa ko siya blue para maganda.
May umayos ng chocolate mo? Ang hair mo? O, yan pa rin yung pag- yung kanina mo. Ay, oh, okay siya.
Hey, halos yun lang yung nag-stay.
Blah.
It's not the whole hair. Because it's
This one? Ano, it's rock? It's the rock?
You could try
Okay.
it looks like a controller for some reason.
Yes.
That's the main
That's the
purpose.
purpose.
Paano yan
No.
gumagana?
I'm gonna turn off my...
Pang ano yung pang baril yan. Pang talon, pang baril.
Now this will confuse me.
I'm lagging.
Nag-drop ako.
Okay, that's for today, guys. Bye.
Ano yung use mo?